So perhaps you are asking yourself, who is this course meant for? Let me show you who this course is meant for. If you are a first-time speaker, this course is meant for you. If you are an introvert who has something to say, but always shrink back due to fear, this course is meant for you. And if you are an educator, you're a student or you're a coach, and you want to improve your stage presence, you want to improve your capacity to speak in front of people, small or large audience, I believe this course is meant for you. If you're a passionate Bible teacher, you're a man, you're a woman, you feel you should be able to stand before people to talk about God, to preach to them, to teach them, but you often feel that need to withdraw, to hide, to sit, I believe this course is also meant for you. Let me say this very quickly. You don't be a born speaker. And skills can be learned. So if you are positive about acquiring this public speaking skill, that's very profitable for anyone in every sector, irrespective of the job description. If you're ready to acquire this new skill of speaking in public, then I want you to join me in this journey in the next couple of minutes. My job is to walk you through every step that will build your capacity to speak without fear and to communicate with confidence in the presence of your audience. Now, for you to get the best out of this course, let me share with you a few that you need to know. The first thing is you need to watch in order. Don't skip any part of this course. Every video is built upon the previous. And so when you skip, you tend to get confused. That's the first thing you must do. Watch in order. The second thing is that you need to use the downloadable tools that are embedded in the first session of this course. Get them. They are designed to help you improve, to help you practice. They are meant to aid your growth as a public speaker and to help your confidence in public speaking. The next important thing that you need to do to maximize this course is to practice on the go. You see, your fear of public speaking will not go away just by you watching this course or listening. It will only go when you engage in practices. So what do? You need to speak in front of your own mirror. And if you have a recording device like your phone, you can record yourself. And another thing you could do is to try breathing drills. And you can take the 5-day challenge. You see, all these things as a whole, when done by you, will surely help you to achieve your goal of speaking in public without fear. Another thing that you need to do is to watch again every video. And so if you think you have missed something or you think you did not get a concept, an idea very well, watch it again. Don't just say next when you know you are not ready for the next thing. And so that will help you also. You watch again. The last thing I will recommend that you do is to join our discussion forum. The WhatsApp and the Telegram group that you find convenient, join. That is where we'll be able to share ideas together. And it is from that same platform that you'll be able to send the feedback, the recorded sessions of yourself, and exercises and practices. So try and join them because we're going to be using them also for conversations, to chat, and to be able to share ideas together.